Hi guys, in today's video, we're tackling a common challenge faced by Shopify users, which is error processing customer payments. So if you encounter this issue and are looking for a solution, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we guide you to the steps on how to fix Shopify error processing customer payments. Now let's dive in. Alright, so start by checking payment gateway settings. Ensure your payment gateway settings in Shopify are meticulously configured. Then dive into the specifics and make sure everything aligns perfectly. Then next up, review the billing information linked to your payment gateway account. Take a close look at the billing information associated with your payment gateway. Conduct a quick check for any outdated details that might be causing payment processing errors. And if things get complicated, then don't hesitate to contact your payment gateway support as they are available to guide you to and troubleshoot any issues on their end. Now, moving on to the next step, delve into the details of order causing payment issue. Immerse yourself in the specific of orders experiencing payment processing errors. Look for patterns or common factors among them, such as specific products or customer information that might be triggering the issue. Next, you might want to explore the capabilities of the test mode features on your payment gateway. It's actually a valuable tool for simulating transactions and identifying any potential issues. If you're still facing challenges, then reach out to Shopify support team. Just provide them with details about the error message and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. And that's it. With these steps, you're now better equipped to address and overcome the challenges of error processing customer payments on Shopify. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.